Welcome beauty enthusiasts to the Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy, where we provide intensive beauty tutorials to help you master your makeup game. Our academy is a hub of creativity, innovation, and beauty, committed to imparting the art and science of makeup. We believe in teaching the fundamentals of beauty in a simple, accessible way, making it easier for you to recreate your desired looks at home. Our step-by-step tutorials are designed to guide you through every stage of your beauty journey, from basic skincare to advanced makeup techniques. Today, we're peeling back the layers on one of the most fundamental aspects of makeup: foundation. It's the base that sets the stage for the rest of your makeup, and getting it right can make all of the difference. So prepare your brushes and sponges. Foundation, the cosmetic base, is key to a flawless makeup look. Now you may be wondering, what exactly is foundation? Well, think of it as the canvas for your makeup art. It's the base that you use to cover any blemishes and even out your complexion, giving you a uniform surface to work with when applying the rest of your makeup. But it's not just about slapping on any foundation and calling it a day. Oh no, it's much more than that. The foundation you choose can make or break your entire look. Using the wrong foundation can make your makeup appear obvious and unnatural, like a mask rather than a second skin. It's like painting on a canvas that's the wrong color or texture. It just won't look right. Moreover, the wrong foundation won't create the proper base for the rest of your cosmetics. Imagine trying to apply your favorite blush or highlighter, only to find that it's sliding off your face or clumping up. Not a pretty picture, is it? So it's clear that foundation is pretty important. But you're probably asking, how do I choose the right foundation? How do I avoid the pitfalls of choosing the wrong one? Well, it all starts with understanding your skin type. Whether your skin is oily, dry, or somewhere in between, there's a foundation out there that's perfect for you. And finding it can mean the difference between a makeup look that's a hit and one that's a miss. Choosing the right foundation for your skin type is crucial. Let's explore how to do that. Knowing your skin type helps you pick the right foundation. This is a crucial step in your makeup routine, as the right foundation creates the perfect canvas for the rest of your cosmetics. So let's start with understanding your skin type. Skin can be oily, dry, or somewhere in between. How your skin feels by midday can give you a good hint. If it's shiny all over, your skin is probably oily. If it feels tight and maybe even flaky, you likely have dry skin. If it's shiny in some places and dry in others, you probably have combination skin. Once you've determined your skin type, it's time to choose the appropriate foundation. For those with oily skin, a matte finish or oil-free foundation will help control shine and give your skin a smooth appearance. On the other hand, if you have dry skin, a moisturizing or hydrating foundation will keep your skin from looking flaky or dull. Now let's talk about coverage. If you have an uneven complexion and want to cover most of your skin, go for a foundation that offers full or medium coverage. However, if you have a fairly even complexion and want a more natural look, a foundation that offers partial or sheer coverage will do the trick. Choosing the right foundation can be a game changer. It can enhance your natural beauty and provide a base for your makeup that looks and feels just right. Remember, the goal is not to mask your face, but to create a smooth, even complexion that allows your natural skin to shine through. Also, keep in mind that it's perfectly okay to have more than one foundation. Your skin's needs may change depending on the season, the weather, or even your mood. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Now that we have the right foundation, finding the perfect shade is the next step. And that's what we're going to discuss in our next segment. So stay tuned and let's continue on this journey to flawless makeup application together. The perfect foundation shade blends seamlessly with your skin tone. Now that we've understood the importance of choosing the right foundation, let's dive into the art of finding that perfect shade for your skin. Finding the ideal shade of foundation is akin to finding the perfect pair of jeans. It's all about trying and testing until you find the one. So, where to begin? Start by selecting a few shades that appear closest to your skin tone. Don't be shy to experiment. Remember, the perfect shade is out there, waiting for you. Now, you might be wondering where to test these shades. Well, the answer lies in your jawline. Yes, you heard that right. Your jawline is the real MVP when it comes to testing foundation shades. It's the sweet spot that offers the truest representation of your natural undertone, providing a clear comparison against your neck. So, how to go about it? Simply dab a small swatch of each foundation shade along your jawline. Now observe. The shade that blends seamlessly into your skin, almost disappearing, is your perfect match. It's like magic, isn't it? But what if you can't find your exact shade? Fret not. The beauty of makeup is its flexibility. If you can't find your exact shade, you can create your custom blend. Mix 2 shades closest to your skin tone to achieve your perfect match. This way you can avoid a shade that's way too light or dark for your skin tone. Remember, the goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not to mask it. The right foundation shade should feel like your second skin, not a mask you're hiding behind. With the correct foundation shade, let's move on to the application process. Because when it comes to makeup, the devil, as they say, is in the details. Applying foundation correctly brings out the beauty of your makeup. The procedure may seem intricate at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to apply foundation. First things first, if you have areas on your face that you'd like to correct, use a color corrector. An orange corrector works wonders on dark spots, green tackles redness, while yellow corrects purple undertones. This step lays the groundwork for a flawless foundation application. Next, it's time to conceal any blemishes. Use a concealer that matches your skin tone and apply it on any spots, dark circles, or uneven patches. Remember, less is more, so use it sparingly and blend well. Now we're ready for the foundation. Apply it in small portions, starting at the center of your face. This area usually requires more coverage. Dot the foundation on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. Then comes the blending. This is where the magic happens. Use a beauty blender for this step. It's an essential tool in your makeup arsenal. Start blending the foundation from the center of your face and work your way outwards. This technique ensures an even application and avoids any harsh lines. Remember to blend well around your jawline and neck to avoid a mask-like appearance. Finally, take a moment to look at your work. Check your face in natural light to make sure everything is well blended and there are no visible lines or patches. This last step ensures that your foundation looks as natural as possible. With these steps, you can achieve a flawless foundation look every time. Mastering foundation application is the first step towards perfecting your makeup routine. We've explored the significance of foundation in our beauty regimen. It's more than just a cosmetic base. It's the canvas that sets the stage for the rest of your makeup. Choosing the right foundation for your skin type, finding the perfect shade, and applying it correctly can make the difference between an obvious, unnatural look and a flawless, natural finish. Remember, if you have oily skin, an oil-free foundation is the way to go. If your skin is dry, opt for a hydrating foundation. And when it comes to finding the perfect shade, don't be afraid to mix 2 shades to get your exact match. Finally, the application process, from color correction and concealing to blending, is crucial for that perfect look. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to leave a comment with your questions or suggestions. What beauty tips do you want us to cover next? Remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, keep shining.